What am I doing? Little hack. Carrots are clean. Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Tonight I'm going to be working on some Jamaican style steamed fish. I have a whole fish just cut in half and real Jamaican steamed fish cannot go without some okra. Got my seasonings, my veggies, real crackers. Alright, stay tuned, see how I make this macaroni. So as I said in the intro, no Jamaican steamed fish is complete without the okra. And buying okras are tricky, so I usually have to check them. And how I check them is I just use my finger to break right there, so that didn't pop. So that's some old okra. Neither that one. Got one right here. That's fresh. That'll taste real good in your steamed fish. Right now I'm ready to put my fish together. I have here just 4 tablespoons of butter, regular old butter. If you want, you can use coconut oil. If you're not a fan of the butter. And I have 2 separate sets of veggies. I have my veggies that I want to get cooked, all the way through. And then I have my okra and peppers that I really just want to get al dente. And I'll put those in closer to the end. So usually I put my veggies in first. Put my fish right on top. Seasonings in. Some pimento berries or allspice. I don't have Old Bay, so I'm going to use my jerk, which tends to be my all-purpose seasoning. Put that on everything. Old Bay would be more ideal. Just get some inside. And I have the Jamaican soup mix. It's the cock soup. It's a really spicy flavor that I really want to have, and I'm going to dilute that in about a cup and a half of water. Make sure there's no clumps. Stove on. I'm going to start cooking this on high. Get those veggies started. Here we go. Cover this and about 15 minutes. We'll check it and dump our other veggies. Yeah, pot was going a little crazy. Just looking at it, make sure everything is good still. I think I should add a little bit more water. Yeah, it's got a nice sauce right there. flip that over. The fish cooks really quickly, so the only thing I'm really watching right now are the veggies. So I put my heat on medium, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Just make sure I have enough sauce for the crackers when it's time for them to go in. Nothing sticking to the bottom. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do right now is dump my veggies in. This should be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. Every Jamaican watching this right now should know that this is the real thing. I'm gonna get my crackers. You just want the crackers in there, not for too long. You don't want them too soggy. You just want them to get in the sauce a little bit. In Jamaica, this is a man's meal. Turn the fire off right now and just let that sit. Let those crackers just sit in the juice for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and plate it. Alright, dinner is served. Some of this goodness. This, by itself is a really healthy meal. You have your veggies, got some carbs here with the crackers, a big old piece of fish, also the potatoes. So, very good mix. That's it for the steamed fish video, guys. This dish, steamed fish with crackers and okra, is really considered an aphrodisiac among Jamaican men. So this is something that, is really personal to me. Served with an iced cold Guinness. Perfect. Have here a little piece of avocado, real avocado. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.